What if I told you 5 governments are currently paying strangers to move to their country? No connections, no inheritance, just an application and a plane ticket. I spent the last few days digging through official program pages, embassy sites, and government portals to find out which of these are actually real and which ones are recycled clickbait you'll see on every other channel. Here are 5 that are real, active, and paying out right now in 2026. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you might actually qualify for. Let's start in Switzerland, in a small mountain village called Albinen. The town has been losing young residents for years, so local officials created a program that pays new residents $25,000 per adult, plus $10,000 for every child who moves with you. That's real cash, not a loan, not a tax credit. But here's the part most videos leave out. You have to be under 45 years old. You're required to buy or build a home worth at least $200,000 in the village, and you have to commit to living there for a minimum of 10 years. Leave early, and you may have to pay some of that money back. This program isn't designed for tourists chasing a check. It's designed for families who actually want to put down roots in the Swiss Alps. Next, head south to Italy, specifically the region of Calabria. Several small towns here have populations under 2,000 people, and they're shrinking every year as younger generations move to bigger cities. To reverse that, local governments are offering up to 30,000 euros, that's over $30,000, to anyone willing to relocate and start a business in the town. The money is usually paid out over several years, not all at once, and you'll typically need to be under 40 years old. If you've ever dreamed of opening a small shop, a bed and breakfast, or a studio in the Italian countryside, this is about as close to a government-funded dream as it gets. Now let's talk about the UK, because this one surprises people. The UK doesn't hand out cash to just anyone, but if you're a qualified teacher, especially in languages or physics, the government will pay you up to £10,000 through what's called the International Relocation Payment. This exists because the UK has a serious shortage of teachers in these subjects, and they're willing to pay to fill the gap. If you're already in education or considering a teaching qualification, this is one of the most overlooked relocation pathways out there, and it applies across the entire UK, not just London. Here's the one that genuinely surprised me the most. Chile runs a program called Startup Chile, based in Santiago, and it gives entrepreneurs up to $80,000 in funding to build their business, and it's completely equity-free. That means the government doesn't take a single percentage of your company in return. On top of the funding, you also get a 1-year visa to live and work in Chile while you build. The program has different tiers depending on how developed your business idea is. So whether you're just starting out or already have traction, there's likely a track designed for you. And finally, Ireland. If Switzerland and Italy are about starting fresh, Ireland is about restoration. Through the Vacant Property Refurbishment Grant, the Irish government will help fund the renovation of a vacant or derelict home, in exchange for you actually living in it. Instead of paying full market price for a move-in ready house, you get government support to fix up a property and make it yours, often at a fraction of the total cost. So there you have it, 5 real programs, 5 real countries, and 5 very different paths into a new life abroad. But here's the truth none of these listicles will tell you. Every single one of these programs comes with fine print, deadlines, and eligibility rules that change year to year. Applying without understanding the details is the fastest way to get rejected, or worse, accepted, and then locked into 10 years somewhere you didn't fully research. If you want the full eligibility breakdown for all 5 programs, plus direct links to apply, comment the word MOVE below, and I'll send it straight to you. And if this kind of opportunity is exactly what you've been looking for, follow the channel, because next week, I'm covering 5 more countries most people have never even heard of.